9 years here, best company I've ever worked for.
The culture is the absolute best.
But of all the different things, it's been the culture sets us apart.
Here they care about you as a person. You're not just a person that works at Movement, you're family.
It really sits well with what I'm about and the way I do life.
It's been a different world for the last 6 years compared to other mortgage companies. So the ops folks, the support that they give us.
Been doing this a long time, and it's been a breath of fresh air to been here for a while.
They invest time, energy, effort, and resources. Even in a challenging market, they've chosen to do so. I can completely get behind this leadership team.
And I love that we have great people, a great process, we have a great purpose as well.
Movement Insurance, gets to give away 100% of the profits. It's a blast to be a part of that.
The mission, the vision, and the values of the company are what keep us here.
I think my dad passed away on January 6th of this year, and on January 7th, I had a box from Movement. You let them know they're praying for me, thinking about me. Before anybody, even my own family from out of town said anything, Movement was there, so that's huge.